Blonde cats, often referred to as cream or light orange cats, are some of the most unique and charming felines in the world. Their soft, sun-kissed fur gives them a distinctive and elegant appearance that sets them apart from other cats. While they may not be as common as other coat colors, blonde cats have fascinating traits, surprising genetic quirks, and a rich history that make them truly special. From their rare genetic origins to their warm and affectionate personalities, these cats have many qualities that make them stand out. Here are 5 awesome facts about blonde cats that prove they are extraordinary. One of the most intriguing aspects of blonde cats is that their coat color is actually a diluted version of the more common orange tabby. This means that every blonde cat carries a genetic variation of the same gene responsible for orange fur, known as the O gene. However, in blonde cats, this gene has been influenced by a dilution factor, which softens the rich orange into a pale cream or golden shade. This dilution is caused by a recessive gene that affects the way pigment is deposited in the fur. As a result, blonde cats can have a range of shades, from warm honey tones to nearly white fur with a faint peachy glow. Despite this difference in color, blonde cats often still have the signature tabby markings, though they may be very subtle and only visible in certain lighting. Another fascinating fact about blonde cats is that they are almost always male. This is because the gene responsible for orange or blonde fur is linked to the X chromosome. Since female cats have 2 X chromosomes, they need 2 copies of the orange gene to be fully orange or blonde, whereas male cats, which have only 1 X chromosome, need just 1 copy. This genetic mechanism explains why male blonde cats are far more common, while female blonde cats are rarer. When a female cat does inherit the orange gene from both parents, she may be fully blonde or have a mix of blonde and another color, leading to a calico or tortoiseshell pattern. This genetic rarity makes female blonde cats particularly special and sought after by cat enthusiasts. Blonde cats have a reputation for being among the most affectionate and sociable feline companions. While personality is influenced by many factors, including breed and upbringing, many owners of blonde cats report that their pets are extremely friendly, playful, and loving. Some experts believe that this may be partly due to their genetic connection to orange tabbies, which are known for their outgoing and charismatic personalities. Blonde cats tend to enjoy human interaction, often following their owners around the house, engaging in playful antics, and even displaying dog-like behaviors such as fetching toys or responding to their names. Their warm, sunny coats seem to match their sunny dispositions, making them wonderful companions for families and individuals alike. Another amazing fact about blonde cats is their historical and cultural significance. Throughout history, cats with golden or cream-colored coats have been seen as symbols of good fortune, warmth, and even royalty. In ancient Egypt, golden-colored cats were associated with the sun god Ra, and their graceful, glowing coats were thought to carry divine energy. In some cultures, light-colored cats were believed to bring prosperity and happiness to their owners. Even today, many people consider blonde cats to be lucky, and their presence in a home is thought to bring positive energy and joy. Their striking yet gentle appearance has also made them a favorite in art, literature, and even social media. Where their photogenic looks make them stand out, one of the most surprising things about blonde cats is how their coat color can change over time. Just like human hair that lightens in the sun, some blonde cats may develop a paler shade if they spend a lot of time in natural light. Conversely, some kittens born with very light fur may darken slightly as they grow older, depending on their genetics and environment. This color-shifting quality makes blonde cats even more unique, as their fur may look different depending on the season or lighting. Additionally, their delicate coat often reflects light beautifully, giving them an almost ethereal glow that makes them seem even more enchanting. Blonde cats are more than just pretty felines with unique fur, they are living proof of fascinating genetics, rich history, and charming personalities. Their rare and beautiful coats, affectionate nature, cultural significance, and even their ability to change color make them stand out among other cats. Whether they are playfully chasing a toy, basking in the sunlight, or curling up in a warm lap, these golden-hued felines bring a touch of warmth and magic to the lives of those who love them. If you are lucky enough to share your home with a blonde cat, you have not only a stunning companion but also a truly special and rare feline friend.